Unit 4, Part 1, Vocabulary. Live, reside. Live, reside. Close by. Close by. Here, in this area. Mountain. Mountain. North with an N, south with an S, east with an E, west with a W. Make sure you follow the compass. North, south, east, west. The floor, table, picture, house. Apartment is A-P-T, apartment. A dorm, dormitory. Condo is finger spelled condo. And then townhouse is T-H. Place with P's, or place with A-10s. And you go places 3 times. Places with P's or with A-10s. Places. Size. What? What size? Large. Average. And small. Old. How? Old. How? How old? It's new. It's old. To enter. To exit. So enter, exit. On the right side. On the left side. Live alone. Live with someone. Roommate. Boyfriend. Girlfriend. Or a sweetheart. Family. Father. Mother. Husband, wife, son, daughter, brother, sister, okay, brother, sister, siblings is brother, sister, children, people, pets, your animals, none, need, should, money, to buy, to refrain, put up with, suffer, and you shake it. Hurry up. Hurry up. 2 H's, hurry up. And then caught in an embarrassing situation, 25, and then you close it to an S. Caught in an embarrassing situation.